In this brief tutorial, we will be discussing the difference between genealogy and family history. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and click the notification button to see more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments what tutorials and how-to videos you would like to see created in the near future. So let's get started. Genealogy and family history. Are they the same thing? Well, not really. Although the terms genealogy and family history are quite often interchanged, as both involve the research of your ancestors, there actually is a difference between the two. One, you could say, is like a simple sketch on a piece of paper, while the other is the same sketch, but with backgrounds, details, and color added. Genealogy. Genealogy is the actual research and study of a family and the relationships between family members using valid sources. It mostly involves vital dates, such as the date of birth, death, and marriage, with the intention of developing a pedigree chart. It can be used to show medical conditions that may run in the family, or determine the right of inheritance, among other things. Family history. Family history, on the other hand, builds on, or fills out the research, of genealogy. It fills in and adds color to the lives of your ancestors, building the life story of each member. Family history is the when, the where, and the how of their existence, and can include information on their everyday lives such as their work, their play, and their relationships. It also places these events into the context of the social, economic, and historical world in which your ancestors lived. This research is then documented and shared with other family members, and is quite often published as a book. So, in conclusion, although the terms are quite often interchanged, genealogy and family history are not the same thing. Genealogy is the simple sketch, while family history is the same sketch with the backgrounds, details, and color added. It could even be argued, you can have genealogy without family history, but you can't have family history without genealogy. So I hope that this quick tutorial has clarified the difference between genealogy and family history for you, but if not, please let me know in the comments below, and I will answer as soon as I can. But for now, take care and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.